Welcome back to the TRU Solutions YouTube channel. In this video, we will walk through some different iPad techniques. The very first thing is if you're looking to update your TRU Solutions app, you will go into the App Store, go ahead and select Search, type in TRU Solutions, look for our logo, and where it says Open, it will typically say Update if you're needing an update for the TRU Solutions app. You can also then go ahead and update or open the iPad app as well. Now to go into some settings things, if you go into settings, up here you will see airplane mode and you'll be able to go ahead and turn your iPad on airplane mode if needed. If you're looking to update the iOS, you can go in here to general and then go ahead and select software update and it will let you know what iPad OS update that you have as well. If you're looking for any text replacement, you will go down here. Or you can search it. You can go into general and then keyboard and select text replacement, and then you can add different codes or phrases that work for you and add them in here. So if you want to put true, and save, it will now show up in the text replacement in here as well. Also, if you're in TRU Solutions, Also, if you are in TRU Solutions and you select one thing, you can go ahead and use Siri in here and Siri will type for you as well. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to support@trusolutions.com and they'd be happy to assist you.